Soap oil. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn the different steps it takes to make soap oil. Do you know what soap oil is? If not, let's see. At the end of this session, you will know what is soap oil, what are the materials required to prepare soap oil, what are the ingredients required to prepare soap oil, what are the steps you need to take to prepare soap oil. Soap oil is a cleansing oil used for washing two and four wheelers during vehicle servicing, bathroom floor washing, and washing house floor too. Now you know well what soap oil is and where it can be used. Let's learn what are the materials and ingredients needed to prepare soap oil. Step 1. Gather all the materials needed for the job. The materials needed to produce soap oil are two big buckets, one mug, one wooden stick, two small bowls, a small scoop, 1 liter measuring jar, a lid, empty 1 liter bottles, funnel, weighing machine, and trays. Let's see what are the safety measures that are to be taken while handling these chemicals. Do not forget to wear gloves, mask, and apron. Caustic soda is a very corrosive chemical. It is fine to touch it with one's bare hands. But do not touch caustic soda with wet hands. It is dangerous. It is always best to handle caustic soda with gloves. When handling acid slurry, always take care that you do not get it in your face, mouth, and nose. So wear mask for protection. Never touch the soap oil that you have just made with bare hands. It will burn your hand. Until caustic soda mixes into the compound, it is dangerous. But once mixed completely, it is not dangerous as it loses its reactivity. Well, now you know how to handle the chemicals carefully, right? Step 2. Gather all the ingredients needed for the job. The ingredients needed to produce soap oil are caustic soda 100 grams, washing soda or soda ash 300 grams, acid slurry 1 liter, drinking water 10 liters, 25 milliliters perfume, which is optional, and 1 gram of color, which is also optional. Now it's time to weigh the ingredients. At the outset, weigh the required amount of ingredients using a digital weighing machine. For that, in the beginning, take any empty small bowl and place it on the digital weighing machine. Using the tare facility, bring the weight displayed on the screen to 0.000. Now take caustic soda into the bowl till the display screen of the weighing machine shows 100 grams. This is the way of measuring and taking caustic soda or any other ingredient for that matter. Place an empty small bowl on the digital weighing machine. Using the tare facility, bring the weight down to 0.000. Then measure out 300 grams of soda ash. Measure out 1 liter of acid slurry with the help of a measuring jar. Here, it is already in a 1 liter bottle, so one need not measure. Measure out 10 liters of water. Using a measuring jar, measure and take 10 liters of water. Here, we are using 1 liter measuring jar, so one needs to take 10 jars of water. Let's now see how to prepare soap oil. Take half mug, that is 500 milliliters of water, and put 100 grams of caustic soda in the mug. Mix the two with a wooden stick. Diluting caustic soda reduces its reactivity. Always dilute caustic soda before adding it to other ingredients to make this corrosive chemical less strong. Take 10 liters of water in the bucket and add 300 grams of soda ash to it. Stir it well. Always use drinking water because salty water is not good to make soap oil. Now add the previously made caustic soda solution to the ingredients in the bucket and stir it very well till it is mixed properly. Pour 1 liter of acid slurry little by little into this bucket. As you add this, keep stirring the solution, else acid slurry will not mix with water. If you don't stir the solution, all the ingredients will remain separated. Add acid slurry little by little into the soap oil compound and stir constantly to make a homogeneous mixture. While stirring, it is a good practice to stir it both ways. First, stir it clockwise, then anti-clockwise, and then clockwise, and so on. This will mix the compound properly. Stir it well till it foams and bubbles appear. Once the bubbles appear, it means that the soap oil is ready. If needed, you can add 10 to 25 milliliters of perfume. If colored soap oil is preferred, then you may now add the color. Make sure you dilute the color in a little water before you add it to the soap oil compound. Cover the bucket with a lid. Leave it aside for 24 hours for the chemical reaction to take place. After 24 hours, pack it into bottles with the help of a funnel. Make sure you wear a mask while packaging. Now your soap oil is ready for sale. Now let's review the 8 easy steps of making soap oil. Take half mug, that is 500 milliliters of water, and put 100 grams of caustic soda in the mug. Mix the two with a wooden stick. Take 10 liters of water in the bucket and add 300 grams of soda ash to it. Add the previously made caustic soda solution to the ingredients in the bucket and stir it very well till it is mixed properly. Pour 1 liter of acid slurry little by little into this bucket and stir it well till it foams and bubbles appear. Cover the bucket with a lid. Leave it aside for 24 hours for the chemical reaction to take place. After 24 hours, pack it into bottles with the help of a funnel. Always use buckets and mug made of plastic for soap oil production. Materials made out of plastic are good and ideal for manufacturing soap oil. Always use bigger containers that can hold more than the required amount of ingredients so that there is ample space in the container to stir it well without spilling the solution outside the container. The materials that you use for making soap oil, like buckets, mugs, and scoop, should be dry and not wet because caustic soda becomes a harmful chemical if it gets wet. You may wonder, is there any special requirement for storage of soap oil? No, there is no special requirement for storage of soap oil. You can store it as you like. It is not enough if you simply know how to prepare soap oil. You should also know where to use it and where not to use it. Use soap oil by adding water and diluting it. This soap oil can be mainly used for 2 and 4-wheelers washing during vehicle servicing. The proportion for diluting the soap oil for vehicle washing is: add 10 liters of water to 1 liter of soap oil. It can also be used for bathroom floor washing and washing house floor too. The proportion for diluting the soap oil for floor washing is: add 7 liters of water to 1 liter of soap oil. Since the pH level of the soap oil is neutral, It is safe to use it to wash hands, but it is advisable not to use it for the entire body wash. The proportion for diluting the soap oil for hand washing is: add 10 liters of water to 1 liter of soap oil. Let's see where soap oil should not be used. It shouldn't be used to wash clothes. The clothes will get spoiled. It shouldn't be used to wash dishes. Also, more importantly, soap oil shouldn't be used to wash the inside of the water closet because the good germs in the stool will eat the soap oil and the stool will become hardened and consequently will not dissolve in water. Hope you will use soap oil in the right place hereafter, won't you? Keep the work table clean before you leave the place. You have now learned what is soap oil, what are the materials and ingredients used to prepare soap oil, what are the safety precautions to be taken before preparing it, how to weigh the ingredients in a digital balance, how to prepare soap oil systematically, and where to use it and where not to use it.